Hello drone video fans, my name is Bill. In this 5-minute video we're going to take a short look at the partially frozen Arcola Estuary. Some of you who have been around the channel for a while may remember that I've shot this before under better circumstances. This was shot a couple days before last Christmas, December 23rd, and we were in the middle of a sort of a cold snap, and kind of warmed up since then, but at least above freezing anyway. So this may not be frozen anymore at this time. But at the time when I took this, we took off from the observation deck, which is there for people to watch the various waterfowl that comes down here. And there's, all kinds of things, from Canadian geese to blue heron and egret and all kinds of different species of ducks. We also have a lot of fishermen who make use of this estuary, since the mouth of this is right on Lake Erie. They stand in waders in here and do some fishing, and probably maybe in the spring when this warms up and the fish start running and spawning and swimming up this stream, I may come back and try and get some pictures of fishermen fishing in here. We're swinging around here and going to face towards the north, and in the distance there you see Lake Erie, which on this day was not too rough or anything like that, but you can still see ice on the top of the estuary here, which runs out and runs into Lake Erie. That's the mouth of the estuary here. So we didn't want to go all the way out there. We're going to do a quick shoot here. See a lot of different kinds of plant life in there. Most of it is of course dead at this time of the year. There's during the summertime there's all kinds of lily pads and things of that nature that attract a lot of fish and different species of birds. In the center of the picture there you see a structure in the distance. That's the observation deck that I'm flying from, and at this distance, for those of you who are not familiar with the Autel Evo drone, it is very, very quiet, and I frequently can't hear it, and I try to use the sound to try and locate it while I'm looking at it. And certainly if I were able to hear it from that distance, I'd be able to locate it, but it's a little bit too quiet to hear, which is good in a way because it doesn't bother anybody, and you can fly right past people and at a safe altitude, and they won't be any the wiser. So again, this is kind of a neat shot with the sun. The sun was out, and it's kind of reflecting off of the top of the ice there. It's kind of an interesting effect, similar to what you would see if the water was not frozen. We just dropped the gimbal here a little bit. Now I finally realized that I'm right across from myself there, and you can see the observation deck in the distance there, and a little blue dot. That's me standing in my on the deck in my hoodie, and we're gonna try and just come in nice and slow and see if there's anything that we can see. And a lot of times, when I do these shoots, I really don't catch things until I watch the video on full screen. I don't usually see everything while I'm editing it, so it's good to watch them at the full size, sometimes even on my TV. Anyways, we're getting close here, and I never usually bring it straight in. I always bring it up to a certain point and then swing it around and back it in and drop it and land it on the deck. So thanks for stopping by and watching and taking a look at the nearly frozen Arcola Estuary. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you did, and stop back again. We'll be trying to get up another video as soon as the weather allows of it. Thanks for watching.